I dropped my phone today and I genuinely panicked. Like, if it broke I would have no idea where I was or what to do.
People were lost before it existed too. Also scared. Also confused. We just didn't know what we were missing.
How did people survive? Did they just wander around hoping for the best?
Basically yes. But let's talk about what's actually inside that slab. The brain of your phone is a chip called a system on chip, an SoC, entire computer on one chip the size of a fingernail.
Everything is on one chip. How small is it?
Your iPhone's chip has 16 billion transistors in a chip smaller than a thumbnail. Each transistor is about 3 nanometers. A human hair is 25,000 nanometers wide.
16 billion? In my pocket? I'm holding a civilization in my pocket.
Phone chips use ARM architecture, designed for efficiency, not raw power. Your laptop probably uses x86, designed for power. ARM phones sip battery. x86 desktops guzzle it.
My phone and my laptop are basically different species of computer.
Now you understand the screen. How does it know exactly where your finger is without any buttons? Capacitive touch. Your finger conducts electricity. The screen measures the tiny disruption in its electric field.
So my phone is technically always slightly electrocuting my finger?
Imperceptibly small amounts. Which is also why gloves don't work, most gloves don't conduct. Special touchscreen gloves have conductive fingertips.
Okay, how does GPS work? How does the phone know I'm in my bedroom specifically?
GPS is triangulation. 30 satellites orbiting Earth send precise time signals. Your phone measures tiny differences in arrival time from 3 or more satellites and calculates exactly where you are.
30 satellites in space just so I can know where the pizza place is. Worth it.
Indoor GPS is a different trick, it uses Wi-Fi networks and cellular towers too. Your phone cross-references everything. Google's map database of Wi-Fi signals covers most of the planet.
What about the camera? Phone cameras are insane now. How do they beat a regular camera?
They don't beat a professional camera on pure optics, the sensor is tiny. But they win on computation. The chip takes dozens of photos instantly, combines them, applies AI, removes noise. That's computational photography.
When I take a selfie my phone is actually taking like 50 photos and picking the best version of my face?
And smoothing your skin, adjusting the background blur, correcting the lighting. So yes. Your camera is already lying about your face. But beautifully.
Okay, the battery is the painful part. Why hasn't battery tech caught up?
Chips got exponentially faster via Moore's law. Batteries improve maybe 5% a year, chemistry is harder than silicon. We're storing energy in chemical reactions. That's a physics limit.
Chemistry is out here just refusing to cooperate. Disappointing, chemistry.
Also, planned obsolescence is real. Apple and Samsung have both been caught slowing old phones. Partly to protect degraded batteries, partly to sell new phones. Controversy was legitimate.
How does 5G actually differ from 4G? Is it just faster or is there something else?
5G is faster, yes, up to 20 gigabits per second theoretical. But the real difference is latency, 1 millisecond versus 50 milliseconds for 4G. That enables remote surgery, self-driving coordination, real-time AR.
Remote surgery over 5G. The doctor is miles away. The scalpel is a robot. The future is wild.
Inside your phone right now, GPS, accelerometer, gyroscope, barometer, proximity sensor, compass, fingerprint reader, face scanner. Your phone knows which way is up, how fast you're moving, and your altitude.
My phone knows my altitude? I never even asked it to know that.
It knows more about your movements than you remember. Treat it accordingly.
I genuinely appreciate my phone more now. Also slightly fear it.
Recap, SoC packs everything on one chip, ARM for efficiency, capacitive touch, GPS triangulation, computational photography, battery chemistry lag, 5G low latency, and a dozen invisible sensors.